puck off the stick of Fritz. Tralmaks trying to gather it back for Providence in his first pro game. Tralmaks below the goal line finds Voyer now to the left point for Wolf. Over for Tony Cross. Cross a shot. Saved by Appleby. Loose behind the net as Tralmaks gets sent down. Now Wolf arriving. It goes loose to go in. It goes in! Eddie Tralmaks' first professional goal in his first game. It's 1-0 Providence. Lyle back for Cooper Zek. Just 20 seconds left on the penalty call. Now to the right wing for Steen. Into the middle. Back to the top of the right circle. To the right hash. Looking for a pass down low. Away to the far side. Lyle has space to Richard. He scores! Brady Lyle. Take me to Brady Street. 3 minutes to go. And it's 2-1 Providence.